Once upon a day, in a big, sunny park, two best friends, Jimmy and Jack, were having a wonderful time. The grass was green, the sky was blue, and they were enjoying in a park. Then comes their mom. Hello, Jimmy and Jack. How are you today? Would you like to see and learn about the sea animals? It will be super fun. I will take you to SeaAnimals. They both are excited. My little friends, would you like to join Jimmy and Jack? Let's come join us.
Hello, little friends. My name is Starfish. Some call me Sea Star.
Jimmy and Jack, let me give you some information about starfish so you can learn more about them. Starfish are sea animals that come in lots of colors and shapes. They are special because they can grow back their arms if they lose one. You can find starfish in saltwater tanks where they help by eating leftover food and tiny bits of stuff on the ocean floor.
Hello, I'm a clownfish. Do you remember Nemo? Yes! Nemo is also a clownfish.
Like Nemo, clownfish are small, bright orange fish with white stripes, and they love living in sea anemones. They are friendly little fish that swim in the sea, and they like to hide in the soft, wiggly tentacles of sea anemones.
Hello, friends. I'm a better fish.
These colorful and aggressive fish are popular for their long, flowing fins and vibrant hues, typically kept in individual tanks, and can be red, blue, or even purple. Betta fish are also known as Siamese fighting fish.
I am a sea turtle.
Sea turtles are big, friendly animals that live in the ocean. They swim through the water and lay eggs on sandy beaches.
Hello, I'm a shark. I could be dangerous sometimes.
Sharks are big fish that live in the ocean and have sharp teeth to catch their food. They swim fast using their fins and never stop moving. Baby sharks are called pups and grow up to be just like their parents.
Hello, I'm an octopus. I have 8 arms.
Friends, do you know octopuses have 8 long arms and are very good at hiding? They can change color to blend in with the ocean. Octopuses love to explore the seafloor.
I am a jellyfish.
Jellyfish are squishy and float in the water. They don't have a brain or bones, but they can sting. Some jellyfish glow in the dark.
am a seahorse.
Seahorses are tiny and look like horses. They swim upright and love to hide in seaweed. The interesting part is that the dads carry the baby seahorses until they are born.
I am a whale.
Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They breathe through a hole on top of their head and love to sing songs. Some whales travel very far in the ocean.
I am a crab.
Crabs have hard shells and walk sideways. They live on beaches or in the ocean and like to hide in the sand. Crabs use their claws to grab food.
I am a manatee.
Manatees are big, gentle animals that float in warm waters. They have round tails like paddles and love eating seagrass. Manatees are sometimes called sea cows.
I am a lobster.
Lobsters have hard shells and long antennae. They use their claws to catch food and protect themselves. Lobsters live on the ocean floor and love to hide in caves.
I am a stingray. From the bottom, I look like human face. I have eyes on top of my head.
Stingrays have flat bodies and long funny tails. Their body looks like Asmooth pancake. They glide smoothly over the sand in the ocean and can sting if they feel scared. They love to swim near the bottom of the sea.
I am a squid.
Squids are cousins of the octopus and have 10 arms. They can squirt ink to hide from predators. Squids live in deep ocean waters and swim really fast.
I am a sea lion.
Sea lions are playful animals that live on beaches or rocks. They have flippers to swim and can clap their flippers like hands. Sea lions are great at balancing on their noses.
I am a walrus.
Walruses are big sea animals with long tusks. They love to lie on rocks and beaches to rest. Walruses swim in cold waters and use their tusks to help them climb onto ice.
I am an anglerfish.
Anglerfish have a glowing light on top of their heads to catch their food. They live deep in the dark ocean. These fish have sharp teeth and can be very scary looking.
Hello, I'm a penguin.
Since Penguin is here, let's ask some questions to him.
Where do you live?
I live in cold places like the South Pole, where it's very snowy and icy. But wait, I live in warmer places.
What do you eat?
I love sea creatures. They catch them by diving into the water.
Some penguins live in cold places, whereas some live in warmer places. Penguins have black and white feathers that make them look like they're wearing a tuxedo. They are small or medium-sized, and they waddle when they walk. They're fantastic. Swimmers. They use their wings like flippers to fly underwater. Penguins usually live in big groups called colonies. Manatee.
Hello, I'm a sea otter.
Sea otters are cute animals that float on their backs. They use rocks to crack open shells and eat sea animals. Sea otters love to play and float together in groups.
Hello, I'm a snake. Look at how white mammoth can open. I have sharp teeth that help me hold on to food.
Snakes have a super cool tongue. It's long and pointy, and they flick it in and out. The tongue helps the snake smell things in the air. Isn't that fun? Look at how long and slithery they are. Sea snakes have special bodies that help them glide smoothly through the water. They look a bit like big sea worms. They eat fish. Some sea snakes have beautiful colors and patterns on their scales. They can be yellow, green, or even black and white. Sea snakes need air to breathe, so they come up to the surface of the water for a big breath every now and then.
Hello, little friends. I'm a flying fish. I don't really fly like birds, but I jump and glide in the air for a little while. I can even glide up to 100 yards. Wow!
Flying fish swim in groups called schools. When they all jump together, it looks like a big fishy parade in the sky. They use their jumping and gliding to escape from bigger fish. Clever, right?
I am a clam!
Clams are special sea creatures that live inside shells. They have two parts to their shell that open and close, just like a little door. They dig down deep so they can stay safe and cool. Clams don't have legs or arms like us. Instead, they use a special part inside their shell to open and close, kind of like a door opening to say, hello. Sometimes clams make something special called a pearl. Clams are peaceful creatures. They spend most of their time quietly resting in the sand. Moorish idol has a very pretty shape. It has long, flowing fins and is mostly black, white, and yellow. It swims in warm oceans. They love to eat tiny animals called invertebrates and plants. This fish is not very big, only about 7 to 9 inches long, like the length of a pencil. A sawfish is a special fish with a long, flat nose that looks like a saw, and it uses it to find food in the water. A garden eel is a tiny fish that lives in the sand at the bottom of the ocean and pokes its head out like a little plant. They live in groups and wiggle their bodies in and out of the sand, looking like a little underwater garden. An urchin is a spiky sea creature that rolls around on the ocean floor. It uses its spikes to protect itself from predators. Urchins can hide inside rocky caves to stay safe from bigger fish. Look back time! Starfish. Swanfish. Betta fish. Sea turtle. Shark. Octopus. Jellyfish. Seahorse. Whale. Crab. Manatee. Lobster. Stingray. Skate. Sea lion. Walrus. Anglerfish. Penguin. Sea otter. Snake. Flying fish. Clam. Moorish idol.
Sawfish, garden eel, and urchin. Thanks for watching. See you all in next video.